Yeah, as we could gather, there might have been three charges that have been laid. The first one is under your so-called Mercenary Act, that actually criminalizes the recruitment and of members to go and fight for a foreign entity or group, but also the people fighting there. So that is without, of course, without permission, permission. That's the one thing that will be investigated. We must just understate there that, of course, it's still being investigated. Nothing's been proven as yet, and it will become more clear as the investigation progresses. The second thing here that we are looking at is a possibility of human trafficking. Of course, that's a different legislation with different elements that will have to be proved. And then also the third one there is fraud, that these people have been lured, as we also gathered, for instance, in your slip, you mentioned that they were told that they were going to Kenya, and then they ended up there. We also saw some of the reports that the contracts might have been in Russian, and they didn't understand when they signed it. So those things will be investigated. And of course, at the end of the day, should they be able to build a prima facie case, it will go to the NPA, and then they will decide whether they're going to prosecute. Should they decide to prosecute, of course, it's a whole different ballgame for the people that are accused, because of course, different sort of roles or different things that work here. First of all, the political nature of it. Secondly, the family nature, but also the criminal nature that is ongoing, and also some other cases that are ongoing at the moment.
Yeah. And I mean, that would be one part then of the case. If back home that legal process unfolds, it still leaves the 17 men or so in limbo and in uncertain terrain, particularly, Willem, as you point out, the complexities geopolitically, because, as we know, South Africa and Russia have a very close relationship. But what does that then mean for DIRCO, given these circumstances that you've also just been laying bare here?
Yeah, of course, and unfortunately, so you'll have your criminal matters investigation on one hand, but in the meantime, parallel to that, you will have your diplomatic efforts. And the challenge that we have, as we mentioned earlier, your time is not your friend when it comes to the safety and the lives of the people should they be deployed. So that is a challenge that they have. And also, of course, DIRCO will have to pull out all the stops to engage with not only the Russians, but on the ground there, as I mentioned, where our representatives normally visit these people and where they make sure of the facts, etc. So unfortunately, those wheels are turning slowly and maybe too slow for us to